The mission of Sea and Sage Audubon is to further the enjoyment of birds and to protect the environment so that birds can continue to flourish. The San Joaquin Marsh is a treasure for the birds and other wildlife. The ponds provide habitat for migrating birds, ducks and shorebirds, and also habitat for birds that stay here all year round. The spring bird count is a compilation of birds within the county of Orange. Anybody can enter a checklist, and we ask people to share their checklists with the Audubon chapter that is able to be analyzed by scientists who are looking at the bird population.